Dolphin versus Polaris Pool Cleaner. Polaris and Dolphin are two companies that specialize in pool cleaners. Specifically, the robotic ones. Both of these brands deliver some excellent products, and in this article, we're going to be looking at and comparing the Polaris F9550 and the Dolphin Premiere. So, let's go. Number 1. Polaris F9550. Let's start with one fact: this is a premium product. It costs a lot more than many of the other robotic pool cleaners that Polaris offers, and this is because there are a wide variety of excellent features that this product has, that other Polaris robotic pool cleaners lack. The Polaris 9550 has been designed with Vortex Vacuum technology, which enables it to more efficiently clean up dirt, debris, including large pieces of debris, and anything else that gets in its way. As for the length of the pool, it can clean 60 feet is the maximum. Number 2. Dolphin Premiere. Just like the Polaris 9550, this is a premium product. One of the most notable features of the Dolphin Premiere is that it has 4 different types of filters for whatever it is that you are going to be cleaning. Whether it's algae, small leaves, or big pieces of debris, there is a specific filter that is used, making this an incredibly simple process. Energy usage has been reduced by 87% in comparison to the other Dolphin models. The reason for this is due to the development of new motors, which are designed to be more powerful and more energy efficient. Because of this new feature, you'll save at least a little bit of money on power costs, as these machines aren't always known for their energy efficiency. Now, unlike the Polaris 9550, the Dolphin Premiere doesn't have a remote control, but it does use the SmartNav system, which allows the machine to calculate the best possible route for cleaning and coverage. For many people, this is actually better than having a remote control, because it's far more convenient. Now, if your pool isn't that dirty or doesn't require extensive cleaning, then the Dolphin 2018 Premiere may be the best choice. If it is very dirty, and you want something that can deliver that kind of power, then the Polaris 9550 might be the best one for you.